can charge him or release him. The decision facing prosecutors for the man in custody in connection to a severed leg case.
And tomorrow morning marks the end of the 72-hour extension to keep Maxwell Anderson in custody without criminal charges. Investigators arrested him at his home in Milwaukee last week, days after someone found a severed human leg at Warnemont Park in Cudahy. That case unfolding at the same time police investigate the disappearance of Sade Robinson, last seen the day before the leg discovery.
12 News' Emily Polfall is outside the Milwaukee County Courthouse. Emily, Sade Robinson's family tells you Maxwell Anderson will return to court tomorrow?
3 days after his first court appearance, on April 9th, a court commissioner granted the request to keep holding Maxwell Anderson for an additional 72 hours without charges. That timeline runs out tomorrow morning. Maxwell Anderson, a bartender arrested 2 days after someone found a severed leg on the Lake Michigan shore in Cudahy last week. Police have not publicly linked him to the discovery, but say he's a suspect in the homicide investigation. Prosecutors have yet to charge him.
In the interest of Maxwell Stephen Anderson.
At a hearing this week, a court commissioner granted the request to hold Anderson another 72 hours without charges, while investigators continue gathering evidence.
The probable cause statement talks about blood from the comforter and the stairwell of the defendant's residence.
That 72-hour window closes Friday morning.
Sometimes prosecutors have enough information to hold a person under arrest on probable cause, but they haven't perfected the evidence yet for a criminal complaint, and they ask for more time to file that complaint, and that's what was done here. Tomorrow, we would expect to see the complaint filed or Mr. Anderson released.
Criminal defense attorney Craig Mastantuono is not connected to this case. But he says even if prosecutors don't charge Anderson Friday, there's nothing stopping them from filing charges in the future.
Then he can be rearrested or brought back in at that time.
Despite the lack of public comments from police, Mastantuono says the pace at which this investigation is moving is normal, calling the work meticulous because this is such a complex case.
Cases tend to be kind of like air control situations. So there's takeoffs and landings. Landings being trials or pleas that result in plea agreements, and takeoffs being charging situations. And those are always the busiest times in a criminal case, much like a flight pattern.
Well, Emily, do you have a timeline on when tomorrow's hearing could happen?
Not exactly. We do know that that 72-hour period runs out at about 8:30 tomorrow morning. Now, although police and prosecutors have not publicly connected Maxwell Anderson to Sade Robinson's disappearance, we do know that Robinson's family plans on being at the hearing tomorrow like they were for Anderson's first court appearance.
And as of now, there's no court appearance listed in the state's online database. We'll keep checking. Emily Polfall in Milwaukee.